Good evening. So today I'm going to show you guys how to conduct simple arithmetic using Excel. And that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponents. Now let's get started. Let's say that you want to add cell A1 to cell B1, and you want the results to show up in or be entered in cell C1. Select C1, hit the equal sign, select cell A1, hit the plus sign, and select the cell which contains the amount that you want to be added to cell A1, which in this case is cell B1. Hit enter, and there you go, you have the result. Now let's say that you want to do the same for cell A1 and A2 and B2. You also want to add cell A3 to B3, A4 to B4, etc. You do not have to enter the formula over and over again in order to accomplish this. You can just copy the formula down to the rest of the cells and Excel will perform the calculation for you. Now you can do this multiple ways, and I will show you two. One of the ways is you select the cell that contains the formula, in this case being cell C1, right click. Now in the shortcut menu, click copy. And you can see the border around cell C1 is moving, which means that's the cell that you want to copy down, or that formula. Hold on, click cell B2, hold down the left mouse button and drag it down to cell C10. Hit enter, and voila, there you go, you have the answers. You just added all the cells together. A2 to B2, A3 to B3, etc., etc. Now let's delete this. Now let's say you want to subtract cell A1 from cell B1, and you want the answer to be entered in cell C1. Click cell C1 in order to select it. Hit the equal sign. Select cell A1. Hit the minus sign. And select the cell B1. Now cell A1, B1 will be subtracted from cell A1. Hit enter. There you go, you have the answer. Now let's delete that. Let's say you want to divide cell A1 by cell B1, or in this case the amounts entered in the cells, which is 100 divided by 2. And you want the answer to show up in cell C1. Select cell C1, hit the equal sign, select cell A1, hit the / button, / that's the division symbol in Excel. Select the cell you want to divide by, hit enter, and there you go. 100 divided by 2 is 50. Now delete that. Let's say you want to multiply cell A1 by cell A2, or cell A1 by cell B1, and you want the answer to show up in cell C1. Select cell C1, hit the equal sign, select cell A1, hold down the shift button and hit the number 8 on the keyboard, which has the little star on top. So this little star is the multiplication symbol in Excel. Now click the cell you want to multiply by, which is B1, hit enter, and the answer should be 200. There you go, you have the answer. Now the last one I'm going to show you today is exponents. So that'll be 100 to the second power. Select cell C1, hit the equal sign, enter the equal sign, select cell A1, hold down the shift button and hit the number 6 on the keyboard. You will see it's like, looks like a little part of a triangle pointing up. That's the exponent sign in Excel. Click the cell which is the exponent, which in this case is B1, so it'll be 100 to the second power, and the answer is 10,000. And there you go, simple arithmetic in Excel, and that's the end of the tutorial for today. If you have any questions, comment below, ask me the question, and I'll make a tutorial to answer your questions. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.